February 2023 market stats are in, and we're comparing to February 2022. So the market's been really interesting. If you watch the news, you're seeing all kind of stuff about banks, which is, we'll see where that factors this coming month. But I just wanted to give you an update on Harford County and Baltimore County numbers. So you can see sales are down. We're getting a trend. The trend's been between 40 to 28% that the market's been down. So over a prior year. So sales are down 30%. Sales prices are not down. As you can see, sales prices, the median is up 5.5% over prior year. So we're still seeing prices ascending, and that's partially because, or mainly because of inventory being at 57% of what it normally is over our 5-year average. So just giving you some stats here, 27 days on market, still it's up 42%, but not a big deal, or 8 days higher than before. So 27 days still selling less than 30 days. Median price in the county, $335, again up 5.5%. List to sell ratio is down 2.3%. That's because people are fishing a little bit too high and then they're working their way down. So that's part of it. Or stuff that's priced appropriately still selling well over. We're still seeing a lot of stuff, especially between $500,000 and $800,000. They're selling $50,000 to $75,000 over list price if it's a nice home that's priced appropriately, because inventory is so minimal in there and people have needs. People that are relocating, you know, it's always about changes in life. So job relocation, you have people that moved away and now they want to get back to their grandkids. We have job advancements and more income and stuff of that sort. You have people that are also downsizing and empty nesting and so forth. So all changes in life is where we're selling. So you got to be a little more motivated in today's market with interest rates being a little higher. Listing inventory down again 40%. New pending sales down 29%. So again, next month we're probably going to see closer to that 30% sales reduction over prior year. I think that's going to be continuing through the year. Last year we had about 5.2 million homes sold nationally. We're probably, you know, from what we're seeing statistically, around 4.8 this coming year. So just giving you an idea of where the market's heading. Home sales in Baltimore County down 27.5%, although days on market up 23%, but still just over a month, you know, to sell your property. And that's on average. Still a lot of stuff that's selling less than a week. Average median price in the county, $300, and that was up 1%. And then list to sell ratio was actually down 1.8%. So again, it's people fishing a little bit high and then settling a little bit lower. New listing inventory is down 31%. So again, less market, less stuff to buy off the shelf. So that's causing prices still inclining. And then new pending sales are down 20%, down 29%. So I think that we're going to be, by March stats, we're going to say, hey, we're down 25 to 30%. That meaning sales in general, again, not pricing. So just showing you where we're going. We're still seeing multiple offers on a lot of stuff, but you're in a beauty contest and a pricing war. I know I've said this several months in a row. The people that are not doing the additional things to their home and they're pricing too high are getting price reductions, and or they're not selling and taking longer to sell. So just keep in mind, do these little things. They're going to help you sell so much faster and get top dollar, unless you just want to say, hey, I'm going to sell it for less. I'll get an investor come in here, and then the investors are turning around and selling those properties too, which investors, please pull permits on your properties. We've run into so many home inspection issues. Buyers are opting out and or having lots of issues. Talk to county inspectors of how many problems that they're having, people that bought over the last couple of years. So home inspections are important. You know, we're seeing buyers waiving some of that. I don't want our buyers to. I would rather have you do it as is with inspections, but just some of the stuff that we're seeing in today's market because of inventory. Inventories are down so far. You know, we're at 57% of normal inventory and 69% of normal inventory. So just keep that in mind when you're out there looking, and interest rates are in the 6s right now. They were touching in the 7s, they're back in the 6s. I think we're going to be in the high 5s to 6s for a while, so it's not going to drastically change. The other thing we're hearing from some buyers is saying, hey, I want to wait until I get 3% interest rates. Those are done. Like, I don't see us going back to that anytime soon. So we were talking to somebody that was in their mid-90s, and they said, guess how many times I've seen 3% interest rates and less? And they said, one time. So I doubt that we're going back to that. That you can have as one of my bold predictions of, hey, I think we're going to be 5 to 6% for this coming year. I do not see 3%. Look at the inflation numbers and so forth. So I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office, 410-638-9555. Have a great day.